Thank you for participating in today's event. Our agenda: reflection on the future of our construction, a 15-minute discussion exploring the transformative trends in the construction industry as highlighted by McKinsey's research on the next normal in construction, McKinsey-Inspired business shift, a 5-minute segment delving into the strategic shifts our company has made, inspired by McKinsey's research, Alesi Design and Build Service and Referral program, a 10-minute presentation outlining our comprehensive services and our referral program designed to encourage collaboration and mutual success, Q&A session. We have allocated time for a question and answer session to address any queries you may have, aperitif. After the formal portion of our gathering, we warmly invite you to join us for an aperitif to extend our discussion in a more casual atmosphere. We look forward to an insightful and productive meeting. Today we'll be drawing, as I said, from the pivotal 2020 research by McKinsey and Company, titled The Next Normal in Construction. We are in ongoing communication with the author of this McKinsey study. The research hasn't been updated because it's still deemed relevant. It offers a fresh perspective of the challenges and opportunities we face in this evolving landscape. We'll delve into the transformative power of digitalization, the disruptions of the horizon, and the significance of strategic alliance. Let's dive into this together. Introduction to the changing construction landscape, the significance of construction in the global economy. The construction industry is more than just buildings. It's a vital part of our global economy. With its significant influence, construction shapes our everyday lives. Historical challenges faced by the construction industry. Despite its importance, the construction sector has historically encountered various challenges. Over the past 2 decades, its growth has been slow, with only a modest annual productivity rise. This pace is notably slower than the average growth of the overall economy. Several factors contribute to this underperformance. Risk aversion. The industry is often hesitant to adapt new technologies or methodologies, fearing potential pitfalls. Fragmentation, with numerous stakeholders involved in any given project, streamlined decision-making can be a challenge. Talent attraction. The digital age demands digital talent, but the construction industry often struggles to attract this new generation of professionals. The promise of transformation and the role of digitalization. Change, however, is on the horizon. Digitalization promises to be a game changer. By integrating digital tools and methodologies, construction can overcome many of its long-standing challenges. Digitalization isn't just about using computer, it's about reimagining the entire construction process. From initial designs to final handovers, every step can benefit from a digital touch. Improved collaboration. Digital platforms allow for real-time collaboration, ensuring all stakeholders are on the same page. Data-driven decision. With the power of data analytics, decisions can be more informed, reducing costly errors and rework. Efficiency and profitability. Digital tools can streamline processes, leading to faster project completion and better profit margins. Sources of disruption. Evolving client demands. Clients are becoming more discerning and have specific expectations. Performance. They want high-quality, durable structures. Total cost of ownership. CTO. Clients are looking at the long-term costs and benefits. Sustainability. There's a growing demand for eco-friendly and sustainable construction practices. The labor and logistics challenges. The industry faces a persistent scarcity of skilled labor. Additionally, changing logistics equation mean that the traditional way of sourcing and transporting materials are evolving. Digitalization's role in construction. Digital tools are revolutionizing the construction process. Enhanced collaboration, real-time collaboration tools ensure everyone is on the same page. Smart building and IoT, modern buildings are integrating technology for better efficiency and data collection. New business models, the industry is seeing the rise of performance-based contracts and collaborative approaches. Traditional construction models are being rethought, leading to new ways of decision-making. Building information modeling, BIM, is improving design accuracy and planning. New entrants in the market. The construction industry is seeing a surge of new players. Startups, innovative new companies are bringing fresh ideas. Incumbent players, established companies are exploring new avenues and strategies. Venture capital and private equity, investments from these sectors is driving rapid change and innovation. Corporate restructuring. In response to the changing landscape, many companies are reorganizing their operations to be more agile and responsive. What will change? Product-based approach. Digital technologies are ushering in a shift towards a product-based approach. Companies that harness the power of digital models can control processes without owning factories. They can also shift from a simple cost-plus approach to pricing products based on total cost of ownership, TCO. Value chain control. Companies are aiming to own or control vital activities in the value chain, such as design and engineering, emphasizing in-house or controlled processes. Select component manufacturing, focusing on specific components. Supply chain management, streamlining procurement and distribution. On-site assembly, enhancing control over construction processes. By integrating a 5-dimensional BIM model with the value chain, companies can link activities from the initial concept to the finished product. This control or integration will reduce friction and make innovation agile. Digital technologies influence. Digital technology is reshaping how companies interact. BIM models encouraging early decision-making, online distribution, transitioning towards digital platforms and advanced logistics, end-to-end software platforms, allowing better control and integration of value and supply chain. Customer centricity and branding. With the move toward productization, a winner-take-the-most dynamic is emerging. Companies that don't adapt quickly risk losing market share and profitability. Turning development, engineering, or construction services into marketable products or solutions is key. Lessons from other industries. Construction can draw insights from industries like shipbuilding and commercial aircraft manufacturing. Both faced similar challenges and underwent transformations. Clear patterns of shift are evident, with value shifting to those best handling the change. Across industries, winners continue to invest heavily in technology, especially digitalization and data-driven products and services. All players must prepare for a fundamentally different next normal, the impending transformation. The construction industry is on the brink of a significant transformation. McKinsey's research underscores the need for all players to brace themselves for a fundamentally different future. Reassessing roles in the changing landscape, companies across the value chain must introspect and decide where they want to position themselves in the evolving market. The changing environment, technological advancements, and disruptive new entrants will catalyze this industry overall. The R&D-like function in construction. The coming years will witness a shift toward an integrated R&D-like function in construction. This means that the design and development process will be more collaborative, iterative, and research-driven. Standalone professional services firms will work closely with other entities in the value chain to deliver optimized solutions, preparing for the new normal. Companies must be proactive in preparing for this new normal, and this involves investing in technologies, embracing digital tools and platforms to stay competitive, training and upskilling, ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the skills needed for the future. Strategic partnership, forming alliances with other players in the industry to leverage combined expertise and resources. In the second part of our presentation, we will delve into how our company plans to respond to these changes. McKinsey-Inspired business shift. We've been deeply inspired by McKinsey's research on the next normal in construction. In the last 3 years, we've been working hard to understand how our business would need to adapt to align with these scenarios presented by McKinsey in their research. Our initial reflection focused on understanding who we are, our history, and our potential. We'll allocate just a few slides to share our reflection on the conclusion we've drawn. Our legacy. Founded in the 1930s by my grandfather, our family business started as a general contractor in central Italy. This business not only amassed extensive experience in building construction, but also specialized, most notably, in the renovation of historic architecture. By the 1970s, our family ventured into design, supporting our general contractor activities. By the turn of the century, this design venture evolved into an independent entity offering multidisciplinary design services to both new and historic buildings. Embracing technology. As a lifelong tech enthusiast and director of our family's design company, I led our move to digital during its early stages. Back in 2005, we fully switched to using Revit, showing our early commitment to embracing digital technologies in our design. Subsequently, we've become experts in BIM and expanded our services to include BIM consulting. Addressing industry challenges. We are aware that the scarcity of skilled labor presents a formidable challenge in the construction sector. To address this issue, our family took the initiative several decades ago to form a strategic alliance with Italy's bricklayer training institution, Scuole Edili per gli italiani. Moreover, at Alesi Design, we have instituted an internal training program dedicated to emerging digital technologies. These steps make sure we always have the best people for the job. Collaborations and achievements. Collaborated with industry leaders, for example, Arcadis and Bouygues, on major construction and logistics projects offering expertise in BIM management and VR/AR content creation. Our portfolio includes contribution to Amazon's logistic initiative in Italy, Ferrero's industrial project across the USA and Europe, and international data center projects. To boost our productivity and competitive edge, we've inaugurated an office in Tirana, Albania. Our vision for change. At the end of our reflection, we concluded that the key to our future lies in combining our diverse strengths. Experience in design, a background as a general contractor, and mastery of new digital technologies. By uniting these elements, we're positioned to offer truly innovative services. Our plan for change is built on 3 pillars. First, London. We know London real estate market is facing challenges, just like everywhere else. But we believe that London is the perfect place for the high level of service we offer. It's a market that appreciates quality and innovation, and that's what we bring to the table. Second, we are starting with manageable smaller projects. And by that we mean project costing up to, let's say, £5 million. This way we can face problems directly and make changes along the way. Not least of all, we are forging strategic partnerships with architects. This ensures a comprehensive and effective approach to both design and construction. In the upcoming slides, we'll detail our services and our strategy to partnering with London architects. Alesi Design and Build is a service that generally ranges from RIBA Work Stage 4 to RIBA Work Stage 6, and upon request extends to RIBA Work Stage 7. We truly respect the early work architects do from stages 0 to 3. It's a special time that the architect has with the client, and we won't interfere. We are architects too. But when it comes to stage 4, we can offer assistance. We offer white label support, which means we help under your brand name, but architect's brand name. Architect's brand name stays in the spotlight, and we work quietly in the background. This support is provided at no additional cost to architect. We view this as a cost of acquiring new business and as a marketing expense. We are commonly contracted by the property owner during RIBA Work Stage 5, following a recommendation from the architect. Our referral fee program offers a variable commission to the recommending architect, scaling up to 10%, contingent upon the client's signing an agreement with Alesi Design and Build after the architect's introduction. We consider this commission a fair cost of client acquisition. Let's take a closer look at how our service helps architects. RIBA Work Stage 4, client-centric approach. We are committed to not only understanding architect's design, but also developing its construction details to perfectly meet architects and architects' clients' aspiration. Elevating clients' investment, we transition architects' RIBA Stage 3 designs to Stage 4 standards, adding tangible value. Adaptable and advanced presentation, regardless of whether the design we receive from the architect is in BIM format, we are equipped to handle it. Starting with a laser scanner survey, we transform it into BIM model up to LOD 350. This enables us to offer a VR visualization, granting architect's client an immersive preview of their future space in an unparalleled detail. RIBA Work Stage 5, flexible contractual solution. Catering to architects' clients' preferences, we offer both FIDIC Yellow or Silver Book contracts and are open to the innovative multi-party integrated information management contract, IIMC, developed by the King's College London Centre of Construction Law and the University of Cambridge. Comprehensive and cost-covered execution. As the general contractor, our commitment extends beyond just precision. We not only develop a BIM model up to LOD 400 in this stage, inclusive of the project and its related shop drawings, but also shoulder the financial responsibility for the construction phase. Whether we are managing the build directly or through a subcontractor, rest assured that Alesi Design covers all associated costs. This ensures the owner benefits from a streamlined processes, free from financial complexities, while seeing their vision come to life. Quality assurance, periodic laser scanner surveys guarantee the project's alignment with architect's vision, culminating in an as-built model up to LOD 500, a testament of the owner's investment. RIBA work stage 6. At this crucial stage, our focus is on a detail-oriented delivery. It signifies our commitment to precision and attention to the finer detail. We provide an as-built model, which is a representation of the final design and construction. This model, as I said, goes up to a level known as LOD 500. Our main objective in providing these services is to guarantee accurate representation of all completed work. RIBA work stage 7. We provide a full spectrum of maintenance services, routine, preventive and emergency care, all enhanced by cutting-edge AR technologies. This holistic approach guarantees the asset's longevity and optimal condition, with the as-built model acting as a digital twin. We ensure real-time monitoring and care. Our specialized maintenance is only reserved for assets that have been developed with us from stage 4 to stage 6. Case studies, our workflow in action. The workflow we have outlined in the previous slides is based on experiences we've gained from various projects. So we felt the need to fully test our innovative approach on specific projects before officially presenting it. The two projects where we've applied our approach are a villa with a swimming pool in Italy and a traditional terraced house in London. In both projects, we've been involved in the design, construction, and maintenance, utilizing the digital technologies we have discussed, such as BIM, VR, and AR. Alesi Design Ltd is the entity responsible for the Alesi Design and Build services. My son Alessandro, that I invite to join me here, oversees Alesi Design Ltd management. Alessandro is a construction manager who has an 8-year track record in London's construction sector. Do you want to say something about our company, Alesi Design Ltd?
It was started back in 2018 after I had few experiences with other Italian and non-construction businesses in London. I also had another construction background back in Italy before to move to UK. And we started the business because we thought it was a nice idea, and then the idea of joining the business that I started here with the one that started in Italy, I think could do nice things in the future. Thanks. Yeah.
Thank you so much.